A few episodes ago, I was just trying to get my front tractor tires, the ones that have a slow leak, just get them all fixed, you know, because I have so many tractors back there that I know I'm going to need a replacement tire here and there, you know. All I need it is for it to hold air. I don't care about the cracks or the dry rots and all that stuff. As long as it holds air, I'll be able to ride the tractor around the yard, you know. So I had just pumped this up simply last time, and while it holds air, right, after a week or so, it goes kind of flat. I mean, it still has like 40%, 50% air still in there, so it's a very slow leak. Somebody that I know, one of my subscribers, told me that I should try automatic transmission fluid. So this is ATF, and it's semi-synthetic from my friends over at Lucas Oil Products. I had bought a container of slime. I used it. It seemed to work okay as long as you take the rim off and you slosh it around the sidewalls and stuff. It ought to kind of work, you know. So this was an empty bottle of slime, but I knew that I would need this container someday with the nozzle that you can stick right onto the valve of the tire. So I just filled this up completely with this semi-synthetic automatic transmission fluid. That's right, alcohol, tobacco, and firearms. So it's in here, see? So since this has a slow leak, very slow, I figured I'd try it, you know, just for the hell of it. So I'm gonna take the valve out of here. I'm not gonna, that's right, gonna take this valve out. Huh, I don't hear any air come out. Okay, here we go. Bloop, 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 bloop. Bloop, 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 bloop. I'm gonna put like, so this is a 24 fluid ounce. They always recommended that you put 8 fluid ounces of slime. So that would be 4 uses per, right? 4 times 8 is 32. Well, that's not right. Alright, maybe 3. 3 times 8 is 24, yeah. So 3 fills. I'm putting an abundance in here. An abundance of caution. Alright, so I put about, I don't know, yeah, a third in there, so about 8 ounces. I'm going to put the valve back in again. Slosh it around, because, you know, ATF is a lot more liquidy than slime would be. Slime would be more syrupy, right? Well, I guess ATF is kind of liquidy too. But if I slosh it around so that it will seal the beads around the rim, maybe that'll work. And I'll pump it up with some air, and then give it and then wait 24 hours, 2 days. See if it held the air. See, that's pretty good right there. I'm going to make sure that all this ATF is filling this tire. Not only that, this is fun. So let's see if this works, you know? Tomorrow I'll let you know. Just wanted to do an update on this front 6-inch tractor wheel that I took off of something. It had a slow leak. And so what I did was I took the advice of one of my subscribers who said, hey, why don't you try ATF, automatic transmission fluid, and fill up this thing with about 8 ounces or so, and it works just like slime. Put it in here, slosh it around. I did this yesterday, and I said that I was going to give you an update after 24 hours. You ready for this? I pumped it up so it was nice and hard, right? Works perfectly. It's sealed. I mean, it's hard, really hard. I don't think it lost any air overnight, so it sealed it really well, you know? So now I'm kind of a believer, man. 24 hours and it's solid, you know what I mean? So shout out to Rick Browerman, who suggested that I should try ATF in my slow leak tires. I'm going to go try 3 or 4 of them moving forward. So thanks a lot, Rick Browerman, for the tip. And I'm going to be using this instead of slime from now on. You know why? Because I have an abundance of ATF. Thanks for my friends at Lucas Oil.